Example, find the first terms of the following, that is the series. 1, let's say 5 plus 13 plus, let's say, 21. To find now the first terms. On that one, first you have to look for the common difference. Our common difference, as I said, you can take now the second terms minus the first, or the third terms minus the second terms. So from our example, the common difference is 8. So it will be equal to 8. Since now you have been requested to find the first terms, so you have to look for the third terms. Our third terms will be equal to 21. Our third terms will be equal to 21. Therefore, what will be now the first terms? The first term, you just take now the third terms, which is 21, you add it with our common difference, which is 8. Here it becomes now 29. Here now becomes 29. That is one example. The second one can be in essay 65 plus, let's say, 61 plus, let's say, 57, and so on. What will be now the first terms? The first terms, as I said, that is, first determine the common difference. Look for the common difference. For the case of common difference, just take second minus the first, or third minus the second. So in that case, a common difference will be equal to negative. Common difference will be equal to negative 4. Common difference will be equal to negative 4. Now, since now you are having the third terms, our third terms will be equal to 27. 57. Our third terms is 57. What about now the first terms? For the case of the first term, you just add our common difference, which is negative 4. So in that case, our first terms will be equal to 57 plus our common difference, which is negative 4. The same take now 57, take away 4. So it becomes now 53. This is how to find the positions of the number. But having said a series, the question may come to find the 100 terms, to find the 90 terms, to find the 60 terms, to find the 70 terms. How can you get it? But you know that it is impossible for you just to arrange all terms. So in order now to get the 100 terms, so we have got now a general formula in which now can we lead you to get the number with the certain positions, maybe 200 terms, 1000 terms, and so on. So in that case, there is a need of talk about the nth terms, the nth terms of arithmetic progressions, the nth terms of arithmetic progressions. The general formula for getting the number in any positions. Number in any positions. Talk about the nth terms of arithmetic progressions. So let us now talk about the nth terms of arithmetic, that is progressions. arithmetic progressions. So we are talking about the nth terms of arithmetic progression. That is, talk about AP. Now, the nth terms of arithmetic progressions. The nth terms of AP is given by A1 plus N minus 1 times D. The nth terms of arithmetic progressions is given by A1 plus N minus 1 times our common difference, that is times D, whereby A1 is the first terms of AP. When we talk about AP, we talk about arithmetic progressions. And D is the common that is difference. Our D is a common difference. Our N is the number of terms. The positions of the terms, the number of terms. And what we call now AN, when they use now, AN is the last terms. From that is AN equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times this one. This one is the same, that is the nth terms. AN is mean about that the nth terms of arithmetic progressions. Therefore, we talk about going to use this one, talk about the last terms of a certain series. Examples concerning with this one now. This one, I've got now so many applications in your daily life. For example, now you can determine the number of let's say if you are depositing a certain amount in a bank or somewhere else. So you are putting per month or per day, you are putting it somewhere else. After let's say 7 days, how many amount you are going to deposit? Those are so many applications on this one. Therefore, it is now look for some examples for that one. Example, find the 29th terms of the series. Let's say 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus that one now. To find now the 29th terms in that series. How can you find it? As I said, that is, it is impossible for you to arrange all numbers up to 29. It is somehow difficult, so you have to use our formula. So you have to use now our formula. From our formula there, in order now to use our formula, first you have to look for what you have been given, data given. What you have been given from the questions? You have been given the first terms. As I defined our formula, the first term here is, that is A1. The first term here is 3. Our common difference, I said that is our common difference, the same to take second minus the first or third minus second. Therefore, our common difference is 4. And our number of terms, our N, you have been told that to find the 29 terms. And this one is talking about the nth terms. It means that the position of n will be taken by 29. Therefore, our n is equal to 29. That is, our n will be equal to 29. So, what will be now? Our an is given by a1 plus n minus 1 times common difference d. Position of n is 29. Position of a1 is 3. This is 29. Minus 1, and our common difference is 4. So in that case, will be equal to 3. Here is 28 times 4. This one will be 3. This will be now, that is 132 will be now 100 and 12. 112. So when you come up, take the summations, this one will be equal to 115. So in that case, the 29th terms will be equal to 115 from this kind of arrangement of numbers. So that is now is how to that one. That is the first example. The second example can be find the number of terms of the following series. You've been given 1 plus 3 plus 5 up, let's say, to 125. How many terms are there? Mind you, there are some terms you are missing. For example, here we have got 1, but this is 1, it can be 3, it can be 5, it's supposed to be 7, it's supposed to be 9, up to 125. How many are there now? So this one, you put what you have been given in order now to use our formula. What you have been given there is just you have been given the first term, A1, which is 1. You can get the common difference, that is 3 minus 1. Our common difference is 2. And this one is our last number, that is the last term.